Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of spices and their impact on your health. Specifically, we're going to be talking about 6 spices that can naturally support healthy creatinine levels and give your kidneys some extra love. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is vital for your overall well-being. These powerful little organs work tirelessly to filter your blood, remove waste products, and maintain your body's fluid balance. So let's show them some appreciation by exploring the natural benefits of these 6 amazing spices. If you're ready to spice up your health and discover the power of natural remedies, then keep watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable health tips. Let's kick things off with a spice that's as versatile as it is beneficial. Cinnamon. You know it, you love it in your favorite baked treats, but did you know that cinnamon is a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health? Cinnamon has been shown to naturally support healthy creatinine levels. Creatinine is a waste product that's filtered out by your kidneys, and elevated levels can sometimes indicate that your kidneys aren't functioning optimally. But that's not all. Cinnamon is also known to help regulate blood sugar levels. And why is that important for your kidneys, you ask? Well, maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial for preventing damage to these essential organs over time. High blood sugar can put a strain on your kidneys, so incorporating cinnamon into your diet is a win-win. Think of it this way: sprinkling a bit of cinnamon on your oatmeal in the morning or adding it to your smoothie isn't just delicious, it's like giving your kidneys a mini high five. Now, I always emphasize the importance of incorporating natural remedies in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle and any advice from your doctor. So, if you're considering adding more cinnamon to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider. Stay tuned as we uncover the next kidney-friendly spice on our list. Next up is a spice that's no stranger to the spotlight: turmeric. This golden wonder, a staple in Indian cuisine and traditional medicine, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its active compound, curcumin. But here's where it gets really interesting for your kidneys. Turmeric can actually help reduce creatinine levels. That's right, those anti-inflammatory superpowers can work their magic to protect your kidneys from damage. Think of inflammation as your body's natural response to injury or irritation. Now, while some inflammation is normal and necessary for healing, chronic, low-grade inflammation can take a toll on your organs, including your kidneys. Turmeric swoops in with its anti-inflammatory prowess to help combat this issue. By reducing inflammation, turmeric helps create an environment where your kidneys can function at their best, filtering out waste products like creatinine more effectively. So how can you incorporate more turmeric into your life? Besides the obvious delicious curries and golden milk lattes, try adding a pinch to your scrambled eggs, soups, or even roasted vegetables. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to supporting your health naturally. Stay tuned as we delve into the next kidney-supporting spice. Let's move on to a spice that's known for its zingy flavor and soothing properties: ginger. This versatile root has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. When it comes to your kidneys, ginger is like a supportive friend, helping them function at their best. Studies have shown that ginger can play a role in improving kidney function and even reducing creatinine levels. How does it do this, you ask? Well, ginger possesses natural diuretic properties. Now, before you imagine yourself running to the bathroom every 5 minutes, let me explain. A diuretic simply helps your body flush out excess fluids and sodium, which can be beneficial for those with kidney concerns. By helping to eliminate excess fluids, ginger can ease the workload on your kidneys, allowing them to focus on their primary function, filtering your blood and removing waste products. But that's not all. Ginger is also known for its ability to combat nausea, a common side effect experienced by some individuals with kidney issues. So, whether you're sipping on ginger tea, adding it to your stir-fries, or enjoying it in a soothing soup, know that you're giving your kidneys a helping hand. Stay tuned as we explore the next spice on our list of kidney-friendly heroes. Let's talk about a spice that packs a pungent punch: garlic. This culinary staple has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries, and its benefits for your kidneys are no exception. Garlic is a natural detoxifier, meaning it can help your body get rid of harmful substances, which can be especially helpful for your hardworking kidneys. Think of your kidneys as your body's filtration system. Just like any filter, they can get bogged down with impurities over time. Garlic steps in to support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping to lighten the load on your kidneys and promote optimal function. But wait, there's more. Garlic is also known to help regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining long-term kidney health. High blood pressure can put a strain on your kidneys, potentially leading to damage over time. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. Add it to your favorite savory dishes, roast it whole for a mellow flavor, or try it minced in dressings and sauces. Remember, while garlic is generally safe for consumption, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Up next, we have another powerful root that can help give your kidneys a boost. Now let's dive into the world of herbal remedies with dandelion root. Yes, you heard that right. The same plant that you might consider a pesky weed in your garden actually holds incredible benefits for your kidneys. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body flush out excess fluids. You might be thinking, wait, didn't you just say that about ginger? And you'd be right. But here's the thing. Different diuretics work in slightly different ways, and having a variety of options allows you to find what works best for your body. Dandelion root, in particular, is known for its gentle diuretic action, making it a popular choice for supporting kidney health. By helping to eliminate excess fluids, dandelion root can ease the workload on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. But that's not all. Dandelion root is also a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that plays a vital role in regulating fluid balance and muscle function. This is important because many diuretics can deplete potassium levels, so having a natural source like dandelion root can help replenish this essential mineral. You can find dandelion root in various forms, including teas, capsules, and extracts. As always, it's best to consult your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Stay tuned as we unveil the final spice on our list of kidney-friendly superstars. Let's wrap things up with an herb that often gets overlooked but deserves a standing ovation for its kidney-supporting properties: parsley. Yes, that's right. The same herb we often use as a garnish actually holds potent health benefits. Parsley is another natural diuretic, meaning it can help your body flush out excess fluids and sodium, which can be beneficial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Think of it as a gentle nudge for your kidneys, encouraging them to release any excess water weight and toxins that might be building up. But parsley's benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to various health problems, including kidney disease. Incorporating parsley into your diet is easy and delicious. Add it to salads, soups, stews, or even blend it into smoothies for a nutritional boost. You can also enjoy it as a refreshing tea. As always, it's a good idea to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet or if you have any underlying health conditions. Parsley is generally safe for consumption, but it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek personalized advice from your healthcare provider. So there you have it, 6 incredible spices that can naturally support healthy creatinine levels and boost your kidney function: cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, garlic, dandelion root, and parsley. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for your overall well-being, and incorporating these spices into your diet is a delicious and natural way to show them some love. Have you tried any of these spices for kidney health? Share your experiences and favorite ways to use them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys and learning from your health journeys. Remember to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.